Og karong buntaga mga kapuso sa spotlight at makauban ang usa ka Dabawenya nga nagtap sa nursing licensure examination. Nga mao si Jullien Sayon. Mayong buntag kanimo, Jullien.
Good morning everyone and good morning sa mga kapuso dyan na nanonood. Hi, I'm Jullien Sayon po.
Jullien, kinsa ba ang imuhang inspiration nga sa imuhang pagskwela o sa imuhang pagkabot sa imuhang pangandoy nga mahimo yung nurse?
Ang bata pa ko, I have always been fascinated as to how the human body works. So, I guess naisip lang po na ako na the best way to do that is through nursing. Diba? Because not only I will learn about it, but of course, ang pinaka-goal is to help other people. So, it also helped rin na yung mommy ko, she's a nurse kasi. So, I was very, young pa when I was exposed to the profession. So, ever since then, dili na dyan ako makita akong self na nakasalaing kurso, na nagod so nag-nursing jud ko. And I'm happy about it. Other than that, na jud kayo, very noble kay siya tanawon siyang uniform. She actually used to bring me sa school nila whenever na naa siya class kay clinical instructor magpudbud siya sa isa ka school diri sa Davao. So yun, dinadala ko niya, tapos nato isa jud ka silang school magud naga role play sila sa life of Florence Nightingale, which is the mother of modern nursing. So, kato nakita to na ako itong bata ko, nakaingad ko na, kuya ko dani na trabaho, oy, murag, lingaw siya, o gusto na ko siya for myself. So, yun, other sa, katong, makita na ko kung maminto naka-uniform, like, na-expose pa din ko mismo sa ginabuhat nila sa school, inana.
Jullien, nahibawan sab namo nga go with the flow lang ka sa imuhang pagtungha during college. Aside di ana, unsa ba ang mga hagit sa imuhang naagian?
Aside sa mga challenges mismo sa nursing school, which is very daghan jud kaayo kay, of course, imagine balancing 8 hours of duty and making tons of requirements. So, grabe jud ka challenge sa time management. Pero siguro if not yung di lang academic wise, one of the challenges jud kay my mommy is away magud because she is working abroad. So I have to help my dad here in the house na ma-manage na ko ang house, then ako ang siblings ko, mabantayan ako sila or mag-guide na ako sila. So kana po siya, isa dyan na sa challenge na mabalance din mo ang imong school, imong time for yourself, and also imong responsibilities sa house and to your family.
Alright, karon. Nag-top gyud ka, dili lang ka simple nga nakapasa, pero nag-top gyud ka sa nursing licensure examination. How does it feel?
Sa ko na-feel jud ato kay, I guess I'm not the only one na almost 3 days jud walay tulog because we were expecting na parang maglabas na ang result pagka 28. So kami sa ako ang mga friends, like murag kada gabi, makita nimo mga tweets nila na kanang murag anxious na jud kaayo na magawas ang result. So pagkagawas sa result kay murag sa chat na lang mo ko nakabalo na top 5 di ay ko. So at first murag grabe kanang na happy ko. Happy jud kay ko, like very overwhelming. But at the same time, mas grabe talaga ang pressure. Ganyan good. I guess it comes with the expectation na if nakapasa ka na as RN kay magaling ka na. But I guess the really big challenge for us, not only for me, is if you can translate all of those learnings and theories into skills. But I believe naman na we can do it since our clinical instructors, they really taught us well sa school pa lang, during our duty. So I am really hoping that all of us, we will be employed in a working environment wherein our seniors are very patient and are very willing to work with us because after all, we have the same goal naman, which is to provide quality care for our patients.
Alright, alang sa imuha, Jullien, nganong gusto nimo mamahimong nurse?
It's very hard to think of a specific skill since we were taught the same naman or we have the same training naman by our clinical instructors. But I guess what I have in me talaga is empathy. Because my very first patient was my late grandfather. I took care of him when he was hospitalized back in 2019. So ever since then, I always think to myself na when taking care of a patient na he or she is someone's family. And in nursing school kasi, we were taught na to see the patient not just as a disease but as a whole person. So whenever I go inside a patient's room, always ko talaga iniisip na he or she is someone's lola, someone's mommy or daddy or kapatid. So ang iniisip ko sa sarili ko, if that's your lolo, if that's your mama or papa or kapatid, what would you do? So yun siya, yan ang ginaisip ko talaga. And I know it sounds very idealistic given the nurse-patient ratio here in the Philippines, but as a new nurse, that is really something that I would practice by heart.
Alright, mensahe ni mo, Jullien, sa mga nursing students nga gusto mag-top usab sa licensure exam.
If there is something that I would like them to put into their minds, hindi sapat na matalino ka lang, dapat masipag ka rin. After all, the licensure exam naman, it's not a test to see who's the most intelligent. Rather, it tests student nurses if they are really ready to be registered nurses.
Thank you so much, Jullien, sa imong panahon nga gihatag ka namo.
Thank you so much po at home with GMA Regional TV for inviting me and for letting me share my inspiring story. And I would also like, of course, to thank my family for your relentless support. You've been there for me since day one, and I couldn't be more grateful for all of your sacrifices and for making me feel loved every day. Of course, to my friends also, thank you for being my support system. We are each other's support system. Thank you for pushing me that I can really do it, and I couldn't also survive the review days without you guys, my friend, especially Franz, Daryl, and MM, Ryan, Tax, Andy, all of you guys. I'm very grateful for your presence. And of course, to the Lord Almighty above, thank you for guiding me.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.